Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that feels almost too good to be true. Dessert. But not just any dessert. We're on a quest to find the most nutritious dessert on the planet. Is it possible to satisfy your sweet tooth while actually giving your body a boost? Let's find out. When you think of dessert, what comes to mind? Probably decadent chocolate cakes, creamy ice cream, or flaky pastries. And while those are amazing treats, they're often loaded with refined sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. For years, we've been told that dessert is the bad guy, the guilty pleasure we should avoid. But what if I told you that's not the whole story? What if dessert could be packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and even protein? So, what makes a dessert nutritious? First, we're looking for whole, unprocessed ingredients. Think fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods provide natural sweetness and a wealth of nutrients. Second, we want to minimize added sugars and unhealthy fats. A little bit is fine, but we want the core of our dessert to be wholesome. Third, we're looking for functional benefits. Does it provide fiber for gut health, antioxidants to fight inflammation, protein to keep us full and satisfied? Let's start our journey by exploring some amazing dessert contenders from around the world. First up, let's talk about a simple classic, a fruit-based dessert. Think of a vibrant fruit salad. It might sound basic, but don't underestimate its power. A bowl filled with berries, kiwi, oranges, and melon is a powerhouse of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. The natural sugars in fruit come packaged with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and prevents those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. To elevate it, you could add a sprinkle of chia seeds for omega-3 fatty acids and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein punch. It's simple, refreshing, and incredibly good for you. Now, let us travel to the Middle East for our next contender, a dessert made with dates and nuts. Dates are often called nature's candy for a reason. They are incredibly sweet, but also packed with fiber, potassium, and magnesium. When you combine them with nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, you're adding healthy fats, protein, and a satisfying crunch. A simple dessert could be just a few medjool dates, stuffed with almond butter. It's rich, decadent, and gives you a steady stream of energy. This combination is a perfect example of how whole foods can create a dessert that's as both indulgent and nourishing. But what about chocolate? Can a chocolate dessert be nutritious? Absolutely. The key is to choose the right kind of chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate, specifically with a cacao content of 70% or higher. Cacao is one of the most antioxidant-rich foods on the planet. It's loaded with flavonoids, which are great for heart health and brain function. It also contains iron and magnesium. So, a dessert like avocado chocolate mousse might just be a game changer. Yes. You heard that right, avocado. Avocados provide a rich, creamy texture, healthy monounsaturated fats, and potassium. When you blend avocado with raw cacao powder, a natural sweetener like maple syrup or a few dates, and a splash of plant-based milk, you get a silky, decadent mousse that is genuinely good for you. You can't even taste the avocado, I promise. It just tastes like pure chocolate bliss. Let's move on to another amazing category, desserts featuring yogurt. Specifically, Greek yogurt or other high-protein yogurts. A Greek yogurt parfait is a fantastic choice. Layering Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of low-sugar granola creates a beautiful dessert that's balanced in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. The protein in the yogurt helps with muscle repair and keeps you feeling full, while the probiotics support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. So, this dessert isn't just a treat, it's actively working to improve your overall health. Now, I want to present what I believe is the ultimate contender for the title of Most Nutritious Dessert. It's a dish that combines the best elements of everything we've discussed. It's customizable, delicious, and incredibly nutrient-dense. Drum roll, please. I present to you the superfood chia seed pudding. Let's break down why chia seed pudding is such a nutritional champion. First, the star ingredient, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. They are the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. And the fiber content is off the charts. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 10 grams of fiber, which is almost a third of your daily recommended intake. Dist fiber helps with digestion, keeps you full for hours, and helps stabilize blood sugar. When you mix chia seeds with a liquid, like almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water, they form a gel-like consistency, creating a pudding. This is where the magic of customization comes in. You can flavor this base in countless ways. For a chocolate version, mix in raw cacao powder. For a fruity twist, blend in some mango or berries. For a cozy spiced version, add cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little vanilla extract. So, here's how you build the ultimate nutritious dessert. Start with your chia seed pudding base. Let's make a vanilla bean version. We'll take a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and maybe a tablespoon of maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Whisk it all together and let it sit in the fridge for at least a few hours, or overnight, until it's thick and creamy. Now, for the toppings. This is where we layer on even more nutrients. Let's add a handful of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They provide antioxidants and vitamins. Then, let's add a sprinkle of chopped walnuts for more omega-3 south and a satisfying crunch. How about a spoonful of toasted coconut flakes for healthy fats and a tropical flavor? And for a final touch, a dollop of almond butter on top for extra protein and creaminess. Let's review what we've created. The chia pudding base provides protein, fiber, and omega-3 south. The berries add a blast of vitamins and antioxidants. The walnuts contribute more healthy fats and brain-boosting nutrients. The almond butter adds protein and healthy fats to keep you satiated. This isn't just a dessert. It's a complete, balanced mini-meal. It supports gut health, brain function, heart health, and blood sugar regulation. It tastes incredibly decadent and satisfying, but it's made entirely from whole, unprocessed foods. You can make a big batch of chia pudding at the beginning of the week and have a healthy dessert or even breakfast ready to go. It's versatile, easy, and it proves that you don't have to choose between delicious and nutritious. So, while a simple bowl of fruit is fantastic, an avocado mousse is a revelation. The customizability and powerhouse nutritional profile of a well-made chia seed pudding make it, in my opinion, the winner. It's the dessert that truly loves you back. It satisfies your sweet cravings while actively nourishing your body from the inside out. Of course, the most nutritious dessert is also the one you enjoy, and that fits into your lifestyle. The key takeaway is to reframe your thinking about dessert. It doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure. By focusing on whole food ingredients like fruits, nuts, seeds, and high-quality dark chocolate, you can create endless dessert options that are both delicious and incredibly good for you. Experiment in the kitchen. Find what you love and enjoy every single bite, guilt-free. What do you think? Do you have a favorite nutritious dessert that I missed? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas and recipes. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on healthy, delicious eating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.